I think the best is when I fell off. Yeah. Banana boat ride. What's up, brother?
All right, Hillary, it's gonna get crazy.
So let's go, guys.
It'll be a little bouncy.
Holy Snooky.
Waves, waves. Yeah.
Yeah. We lost some people.
You fell off.
Oh my gosh, this is like harder than riding a bull. Ride 'em, cowboy. Did I kick you? Yeah, you did. I got a bullet in my legs. Yeah! Crazy! We lost 4 people that time.
The whole side of your body on.
That's absolutely crazy. $10 per person. It's totally worth it. It's an epic ride. It's awesome. What do you think, Jason?
We came, we conquered, we rode the wind.
Yeah. Hillary, do you like it?
So fun.
Daniel?
Oh man, I have a concussion. It was well worth it. So fun.
I think the best is when I fell off.
But if you're in the back, you're more...
Crazy fun again. Banana boat ride here at Rocky Point. You could do like up to 12 people, I think. $10 a piece, worth the ride. I think I swallowed so much salt water, it's clearing up my cold that I have. GoPro, turn off.